Good morning, students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and fit. So, welcome back to your online class. So, today's topic is formatting a presentation. So, that is our chapter number 8. And inside this chapter, we are going to learn about working with Slide Master, how to create a new custom layouts, how to format a text, and how to apply a header and footer, inserting placeholders, changing background styles, changing color scheme, and using fill effects, applying formatting effects, applying artistic effects, applying picture styles, applying indents, and working with the slide outline. So these all topic will be covered in this chapter. So let's start with our chapter. So as a chapter name is formatting a presentation. So first of all, we have to know that what is a formatting. So formatting is the changing of font face, font size, color, style, line spacing, inserting tabs or indents, and etc. of a slide, and hence the appearance of the slide. Enhance the appearance of a slide. This one spelling is enhance. Okay, this one, that is enhance. Enhance means badhana. Okay, so that is enhance. And next is formatting can be done using commands available on the format tab under the drawing tool. Okay, so next, working with the slide master. So what is a slide master? Slide master is an element of a template that stores all the information of a slide, just like a placeholder, font style, the position of a text, object background design, and etc. about the slide. Slide master is used to set the default layout formatting for all slides and control the entire presentation. So as a name, that is slide master. It is a master of all slides. So next is slide master consists two type of placeholders. Slide master consists of two type of placeholder. First is a title placeholder, that is a slide title placeholder, and second one is a body text placeholder. So one is for the title and second one is for the body. So this one is a title and that one is a body. Okay, and this one title. So in a slide title placeholder, the title of the slide is written in this placeholder, though it is the first placeholder, but you can move it anywhere on the slide. So the next is a body text placeholder, and it contains the text, description about the topic, any chart, pictures, and other things. Okay, so this one is a body text placeholder. So slide master consists two type of placeholder. So next is creating a new custom layouts. As you can see in the slide, by default these are the layouts in our PowerPoint presentation. But we can customize our layout as per our requirement. Okay, some of the default slide layouts are provided by the PowerPoint, or you can also customize the layout by adding text specific or object specific placeholder. So how can we do it? So click to edit. We have to open the slide master button in a master view group. We have to open the slide master button, and here you can choose a blank slide, just like that is a blank slide. Okay. So you can after that click on the insert slide master button in the edit master group for edit your slide. There is a thumbnail of list of layouts and there are blank layouts also there. You can select these are the some placeholders. You can make a placeholder for a text, for a picture, for a chart, tables, screen, smart art, and to media and outline images. Okay, so these placeholder you can add in your slide. After that, you can click a slide. You can click your placeholder just like that. This one, and this is for the title, and these are for your body text. Okay. And you can also rename your layout. There is a rename option is also there, and you can rename your layout by this. You can change the name of your layout. After that, just close this master view, and the layout that you added and customized now appears in the list of standard built-in layouts in a normal view located on the home tab in the slide group. Here you can see the my layout is there. My layout. Okay. It appears in the list of standard built-in layout in a normal view. So next topic is insert a placeholder. So placeholder is where you can write your text, you can add your picture, your charts, your tables, your smart art. So these are the placeholder you can add into your slide. So how can we add? To add a placeholder on a slide master, just click on the insert placeholder drop down arrow in the master layout group and select a placeholder from the list. As you can see here, drag the mouse on the slide to position the new placeholder. Okay. So next is how can we format text. So for formatting a text means to change the font of your text. Go to the slide master. From the background group, click on the font group. And font drop down arrow. Click on the font drop down arrow and select the desired font style, font size and effect given in the drop down menu. You can choose anyone from there, from this. And then hover the mouse over all the slides given and see the changes. You can see the changes by that. And next is applying header and footer. So what is a header and footer? Header is used to when we want to make anything in the form of title. So that time we use the header, just like that. This one is a header, and when we want to put something below in our slide or document, that is a footer. Then we use footer. So to enter and edit the header and footer contents, click on the header and footer button in the text group or insert tab. So this one is a header and footer group. Header and footer dialog box appear there just like that. Fill the desired field of a dialog box, just like date and time, slide number, footer, and these are the some fields. You have to fill these fill in a dialog box, and your header and footer will appear on your slide. So next is how to create a background style. So you have to go on the slide master. From the background group, click on the background style. A list of options will be there, just like that. Format a background. Click on the fill tab. So there are so many options are there: solid fill, gradient, picture, pattern fill, hide background graphics, gradient stops. All these things are there. You have to just fill these things as per your desire. And click on the, if you want to change the color, click on the color. If you want to change the type, you have to click on type. So these are the things we have to fill for the background style. And then click on apply to all button, the color scheme of all slide, and click on the close button to close this dialog box. So these are some, this is also a background color, and you can see your background color will appear on your slides after that. Okay, so what is the fill effect? Fill effect allow you to apply gradient, texture, pictures to your object. So you have to just go on the insert tab, then on a shape, then select the shape from the drop down menu. Drop the shape onto your slide. Click the shape fill button in the drawing group on the home tab. So there are, select the gradient option. Select a desired color scheme from the display list. You can also select the more gradient option. There are also more gradient option is also there. You can choose that also. You can also choose the texture button. A drop down list appear in inbuilt texture. Select the texture from the list and choose a picture. You can also insert a picture also from there. From this option you can also choose the picture. Click on the clay part option also. There is a clay part option also in a format paint picture dialog box. To select a picture dialog box will appear. Choose a picture of your choice. Click OK and close the format picture dialog box. Okay, so you can also set a picture, a gradient, a text, a pattern in your background of as a background in your slide. Okay, so next is applying formatting effect. So select the text and click on the font drop down list and the font group on the home tab. Select any font. The font of selected text gets changed. You can change the font size. You can change the font style from there. Font size, it is for bigger, it is for smaller. These are the fill and bold, italic. Okay, these are the indents. Okay, so these all things you can change in your slide with applying formatting effect. So next is applying formatting effect to multiple lines. So how can we do this? Click on the format painter button in a clipboard group. So this one is a format painter button. When you select the text, a small formatting toolbar appears next to the selected text. Most of the buttons in the font group are toggle. Just like toggle means for on or off button. Okay, so you can change your formatting in a multiple lines by using the format painter. So next is a very interesting effect, that is artistic effect. It gives artistic effect to your picture. Okay. So for this you have to click on the insert picture, go on the format tab, click on the artistic effect. Artistic effect is here. A drop down menu will appear just like that. Hover the mouse over the option present in the drop down menu. You will see a preview of each option just like that. You can see the preview of each option. Now select the desired style. It is very easy. Next is applying a picture style. So these are the picture style. Click on the inserted picture. You will notice that format tab appears there. Go to the format tab. Click on the drop down arrow of the picture style to display all picture style and hover the mouse pointer over each picture to see the preview of picture style and select the desired style. Just like in this slide, this style has been selected. So next is applying indents. Indentation makes the text more readable. This feature is used to move a complete paragraph or a first line to a specific number of places from the left to right margins. Basically, it is used for the margin. How can we apply indents using tab key? The tab key is used to indent the first line of a paragraph. Place the cursor at the beginning of the paragraph you want to indent. Then press the tab key. The paragraph will now be indented. And how can we use it? By the command. To use the indent commands, if you want to indent all the lines in a paragraph at a one time, you can use the decrease indent or increase indent command from the home tab group, just like this one. Select the text you want to indent, go on the home tab and click either the increase indent and decrease indent command to increase or decrease the indent. Okay, like that. So next topic is working with slide outline. So the outline view provides the summary of presentation arranged in heading and subheading. Outline the PowerPoint are created or edited using the outline tab in the normal view. In outline view, you can create presentation structure. Edit text entries, rearrange the text on a slide and as needed, and hide or display the text level. So this is just like a summary. Of your presentation. You can edit your presentation from there also. So how can we create a presentation structure? Open any existing presentation in your computer. Select any slide. Click on the outline tab in the left pane of a normal view. So there are a outline tab. Okay, and you have to just click on that. Right click on the cursor position outline pane. A pop-up menu will appear. Here you will find there are some demote option, promote option, collapse option. So demote option is this option moves the text one level lower at the time. Promote is used to move the last text entry to the next higher heading level. Collapse, it hides all text in a slide and shows only the slide title. Expand, this re-expand the collapsed text. So these are 4 contents in your outline pane. So next is adding outline view. So adding outline view button in a Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. If you want to add outline view command on the quick access toolbar, click on the file tab option command. Click on the quick access toolbar tab from the PowerPoint option dialog box. Click on the drop down list, choose command from and select the command not in the ribbon. So this one is, you can add any command in your ribbon. Okay, select the required option, collapse etc, click add for adding a command and then OK. And you will find these buttons on a quick access toolbar. If you want to add any button from there in a quick access toolbar, you can add this by the add button. Okay, and you have to just click OK. So in a formatting a presentation, we have learnt about the working with the slide master, how to applying formatting effects, applying artistic effects, applying picture styles, indents, and working with the slide outline. So our chapter has finished now. So and till then, bye. We will meet in our next class.